Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at creating a cover page in Microsoft Word for a document. So I've already got a report here and I just want a quick and easy, simple, good looking cover page for it. So what I'm going to do is go here to the Insert tab. I'm going to click here on Cover Page because here are a series of already created cover pages that are made for me. Now I can see more if I click here and see more cover pages from office.com, so I could see more here. I'm just going to choose a very plain one here. I'm just going to click on it to add it to my document. Now these are clickable options, so you can just click here and type your document title. So I'm just going to call mine Office Meetings. Now I have a subtitle here on this page, so what I'm going to do is just copy my subtitle text. So I'm just going to copy that and I'm going to put it in as my subtitle. So I'm clicking on that field there and just pressing Control or Command V. And now I've got my name here. I don't want these other elements. I don't need a company name or a company address. So I'm just going to right click here. I'm going to choose Remove Content Control. That's the quickest and easiest way of removing bits that you don't want to have inside your document. Now this one happens to have a little bit of extra there. I found it every time I've used it, so just be aware that you might have to delete other little bits and pieces. But basically here is my cover page for my document. Now if you were to look at your document and think, well, wait a minute, I just changed my mind, I don't really want a cover page, then this is what you're going to do. You don't delete the page. That's just going to get you into all sorts of trouble. You're going across here again to the Insert menu, again to Cover Page. You're going to click here and you're going to choose Remove Current Cover Page. And the cover page will be removed from your document. Now I'm just going to press Control or Command Z to put it back in. Now there's one other thing that I want to show you about cover pages, and that is that you may not want your cover page to go at the beginning of your document. So this is what you can do. You can go to the cover page option, and if you right click here, you get options for where you want to put the cover page. You may have a reason for putting it somewhere else in the document, and from this option or the set of options here, you can select the location that you want to put your cover page in. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results every time, then you'll love my other YouTube videos. So give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe to the channel. And on the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you to watch next.